Tapos dito sa isang letter naman, no? Ma'am Ellen, after ko pong magsalita, ako pa ang masama, parang utang na loob ko pa ang trabaho. Ano mo karamihan ito sa mga caregivers? Nag-i-struggle dyan kasi yung utang na loob nga eh. Yung colonial mentality yan. Lagi na lang tayo dapat oo na lang, lagi tayong papasak. Ang turo sa atin nung araw, di ba? 400 years of colonialism with the Spanish and the Americans we're taught to be, ay, tiisin mo na lang. Resilience and masalamat ka nga, may trabaho kayo, mga ganun, di ba? Huwag kang sasagot. Yun ang mga turo sa atin eh, noon. Pero ang totoo, yung endurance without limits turns into exploitation. Pag yung trabaho na may tiyaga at pagtitiis, pag walang boundaries yan, alam mo saan tutungo yan? Exploitation at pagsasamantala na yan. Kindness without boundaries, mawawala pagkatao mo dyan. Let's be practical, guys. If response is respectful, kung maganda naman yung response sa'yo, i-clarify mo yung role mo ulit. Na ano yung role mo as a caregiver. Sulat mo rin, ito yung responsibilities ko po kasi. Ngayon, continue the communication in a respectful way. So, kunwari ang response niya ay testing. Kasi naman, baka naman pwede mo idagdag ito. Pwede mo naman gawin ito ulit. Ulitin mo ulit. Ito po yung responsibilities ko. Ito po yung aking role. Hindi ko po kaya. Ganun. So, pag yung response niya naman punishing, yung tipong kung ano-ano sinasabi, kung ayaw kong kausapin, ganun pa rin ang nangyari, punishing pa rin siya. So what you could do is i-document mo yung mga incident, sulat mo, and then protect your health. Kausapin mo ang yung agency. Humingi ka ng suporta. You talk to agency and you already plan for your exit. Mag-isip-isip ka na. This is not pagiging suwail. Ang tawag mo dito, self-preservation. Eto, may nagtanong pa, ma'am, bakit parang ako yung problema? Explain ko lang to Ang nangyayari, ang tingin nila sa'yo is ikaw ang problema kasi binago mo yung pattern, naglagay ka ng boundaries. Pero hindi ikaw ang problema. And yes, you always say yes kasi nung araw, bigla na lang people will adjust their expectation around your sacrifice. Pag sinabi mong no, they would feel the discomfort. The discomfort is not abuse. Yung punishment ang abuse. You're not supposed to be punished for something you are not guilty of by establishing the boundaries. You have to learn the difference. Hindi nyo na kailangan magpag-away. You don't need to convince. You don't need to beg for understanding. Just observe because you know how people treat you after you set the boundaries is the clearest message that they ever give you. And caregivers, hindi kayo difficult, hindi kayo walang utak na loob. You're not asking too much. You're setting the conditions for safe and humane care. With setting the boundaries, nagiging tama ka sa trabaho mo. And that is not attitude. Ang tawag mo dyan, professionalism because you know boundaries.